taking this Badescu cucumber spray and this Fenty Beauty primer, and I'm just putting that all over the face. And then I'm going to go in with this Nars Sheer Glow foundation in the shade Light 6, and I'm just going to put that all over my face and blend it out using a beauty blender. Now I'm using this Maybelline concealer in the shade Ivory, and I'm just going to conceal underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and my forehead, my lip, and my chin. Going in with powder, I'm going to take this Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Fair Clair, and you guys, this concealer and powder are just amazing together. You have to try it. And for contour, I'm using the Hoola bronzer, and I'm just going to use a stiffle brush and just kind of bronze up the face because Kim Kardashian's face is really tan. Then I'm going to spritz the face one more time and going with this Profusion highlight and contour palette. I'm going to take that middle highlighter shade, and I'm just going to go in and highlight the face using this Sigma tapered highlighter brush. And I'm going to go in with this Tartelette and Balloon palette, and I'm going to take those two shades and buff that in the crease. So I'm taking this Pixi Beauty eyeliner, and it was a collaboration that they did with a YouTuber. I don't know her name. I'll leave it all, the products listed down below, but I'm just taking that and kind of putting it on my lash line and just dragging it, and then I'm going to smoke it out using a pencil brush from Sigma. And then what I do with that eyeliner also, I kind of make a wing, and then I buff it out because Kim Kardashian's eyes are really blown out and smoky, and she doesn't have a harsh line, so I'm just trying to make it all smoky looking and just all really blend it out. So that's what I'm doing here. And then going in with the Kandee Johnson Too Faced palette, I'm taking that black shade and just packing that on top just to get it really black but also kind of smoky looking. So and then I'm going to take the other side, it's a liquid, and I'm just going to put that on top just to make it kind of more black, and I'm going to buff it out using the same Sigma brush. And then I'm going to go in with the Just Peachy palette from Too Faced and take that brown shade and put it in the crease just for a little bit of dimension, just so everything just kind of blends together. And then the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced, I'm going to top my top lashes and my bottom lashes as well. And I'm going to go back in with the eyeliner and just put that in my waterline and kind of drag it out in my inner corner for that kind of cat eye Arabic kind of look. You know, I love it. And then just kind of touch up, make sure everything's blended. And then I'm going to go in with these lashes. I don't know what they're called. I'll have them linked down below. And I'm going to line my lips using the MAC Subculture lip liner. And for my lipstick, the only closest color that I found that will look similar to hers is this limited edition UrbanDecay lipstick in the shade Abstract. And then I'm going to touch it up in the center with a little bit of concealer. And that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.